All right, guys, it's been a week. John brought a transmission jack home to use so we get transmission in it. Went pretty much right in. Just got to get all the bolts back in it now and everything back under it. So working on that now. All right, got transmission back in, got drive shaft in. John's fixing to do a quick oil change on it, and we've got to pull the fuel tank, put the fuel pump in it, and then exhaust. And what else, John?
Tune. That'll be about it.
All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, got the transmission in, got the fuel pump in it, got the exhaust back on it. Checking all the fluids now. John's putting oil in the turbo or the Procharger, trying to make sure that's full. And give us just a moment here. We're gonna try to start this guy and see if she will run. Since it's been here, it got what? New timing chain set put in it?
Yeah, it's got new timing chain set. Nitrous kit was taken off. Procharger was put on. It's got a ram, twin disc clutch in it now. Fuel pump.
Flywheel.
Shocks, flywheel.
New shocks all the way around. So yeah, a lot of work. Checking it over for fuel leaks. Nothing here, sir. Nothing on this side, sir. Procharger Mach 1. Well, there you go. What you think, John?
Not good. Ready to get some wheels on it and take it for a test drive.